Hello and welcome. In this video I'll be finding missing sides and missing angles inside of right angled triangles. In this first question here we're given a side of 11 centimeters, an angle of 42 degrees, and obviously the x centimeter side we're trying to find. The first step will be to label the sides. This x centimeters will be the opposite side as it's opposite the 42 degrees, so I'll label that as an O. This side right here, opposite the right angle, will be the hypotenuse side, and I'll label that as using a H, so yeah. And this last side right here will be this 11 centimeter side, will be the adjacent side, and I'll label that as with an A, so right here, with an A. Now we have 11 centimeters as our A, our adjacent side, and we're trying to find O, which is x centimeters. So we'll be needing a formula triangle with an O and an A. So this one on the right here has an O and an A. And we'll be subbing into it. So to get O, which is our x centimeters right here, look, the opposite side, we'll be needing to do T, and this just means times, so times A, so T times A, and that just means the tangent value times the adjacent side. So the tangent value is tan, and whatever's inside the angle, in this case it's 42, so tan 42 times A, which is 11, and that'll give us an answer of 9.904 centimeters. So x is equal to 9.904 centimeters, and I'll just circle that. And yeah, that's our final answer. This next question is for you to have a go at, so make sure you label each side and sub into one of the formula triangles to get your missing side, and hopefully your missing side will be correct. Also make sure that you use a physical calculator and not a online one, as online ones tend not to give like the right answers. So pause your video here and unpause when you're ready for the answer. Here's the answer, which is 14.004 centimeters, as well as the working out I used. Hopefully you got the same answer as me, and if not, the working out should help you understand where you went wrong. So now let's move on to the next set of even harder questions. Moving on to this third question, we're given two sides, and instead of trying to find a missing side, we're trying to find a missing angle of x degrees. The first thing we're going to do, like before, is label the sides. So this side right here, opposite the angle, will be the opposite side, which I'll label with an O. This one, the hypotenuse, this is opposite the right angle, and this one, the adjacent. We have a hypotenuse, which is 24 centimeters, our adjacent, which is 16 centimeters. So we'll be using the formula triangle in the middle. So this one. Sorry. This cosine one. And according to this triangle, to get C, which is cos x, we need to do A, which is the adjacent side, divided by H, which is the hypotenuse side. So A, which is 16, divided by 24, which is H, so H is 24, so 16 divided by 24, and that simplifies to 2/3. But now we have cos x, but we actually need to find x degrees. So to get x degrees, we're gonna use cos to the -1, and to get cos to the -1, we'll need to press shift on our calculator and then press the cos button. Or if you're trying to get sine to the -1 or tan to the -1, you can press sine or tan. We'll then put in the 2/3 inside the cos to the -1, so on your calculator that would look like this. So cos to the -1, there'd be an open parentheses, you'd put your 2/3 inside that open parentheses, you'd close it, and you'd press equals, and you'd get 48, so that would equal 48.190, and remember this is degrees, so yeah, just put that little sign up there, and that'll be x. So I'll just circle that. And yeah. This fourth and final question is for you to have a go at. Make sure you give your answer in degrees, as it's a missing angle you're trying to find. So pause the video here and have a go at the question, then unpause when you're ready for the answer, and hopefully your answer is right. Here's the answer and the working out that I did for it. So x is equal to 53.746 degrees. I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching.